Hello everyone and welcome to Deano Outdoors. Today we're going to take a look at this 36-inch all-electric LED display fireplace from NookNova. We'll do a quick unboxing and then I'll go over some of the features that this fireplace has to offer. This fireplace can be used as a freestanding unit as you see here, or hung on the wall with the supplied hardware that's included with this unit. So let's get started. All right, let's get this opened up, get it set up and try it out. Comes nicely packaged, completely foam wrapped. So here we have our 36-inch electric fireplace. Nice glass front, the artificial log look with the brick back wall adds a nice accent to the fireplace. Inside the box, you'll find a little pamphlet with your instruction manual. You'll also find a remote control. Included with this fireplace is your mounting hardware. Come in 4 different bags, along with your freestanding legs. If you want to use it to sit on the ground, you can install these, and then the fireplace can be mounted in any corner of your room. Just simply sits on the floor. And it also includes the hardware and mounting bracket for hanging up on the wall. We'll go ahead and get this assembled, then we'll set it up, and I'll go over some of the features that it has. For this installation, I'm going to be using the freestanding legs, so I'll go ahead and show you how to get these installed, and then we'll set it up. First off, find a nice soft area to lay your fireplace face down on. Then you want to find your left bracket, which has the letter G on it, and your left foot base, which will have the letter F on it. And put those to the side, and then find your letter E and letter D brackets will go together. We'll get these assembled, and then these will mount on top on the back side of your fireplace. Find your hardware labeled DD. This is what you're going to use to install the bracket to the foot base. You're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. Lay your foot base face down. Take your bracket and lay it on top, and just simply install the 3 screws supplied and tighten them down. Give them a good snug, and then repeat the process on the other side of the legs. Now that we have both supports and legs secured to each other, we'll take the other hardware package labeled AA, which will have 4 smaller screws located inside. And we're going to get these brackets mounted to the back side of your fireplace. The easiest way to do this is get the front one, the top one started. Snug it down just slightly because you're going to have a little space underneath here. Get your other screw ready and then lift up on the back side until you get the screw flush inside here, and then tighten it down while holding up the back of the fireplace. And then go ahead and do the same process on the opposite side. And our fireplace is ready to be used. Let's get it set up in the corner, plug it in, and then I'll go over some of the features with you. This electric fireplace measures 36 by 17.5 by just 4 inches wide. It can be used as a wall-mounted or freestanding fireplace, which makes it nice. You can put it in the corner of your room, place it in the center of your wall, or anywhere you have access to 110 voltage. Comes with a remote control which can reach up to 20 feet. To turn the unit on, just press the power button. It has 7 different levels of flame effects. And it includes an on-off timer which can be adjusted up to 8 hours. You can also use the display panel that's located up here to make your adjustments. The sound that it outputs is just 42 decibels, which makes it like a gentle whisper in the background, so it will not disturb your sleep if you want to place this fireplace in your bedroom as well. And the fireplace is CSA certified, and the plug is UL certified. This electric fireplace can heat from 62 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 86 degrees Fahrenheit. This fireplace also offers a overheat protection, which will automatically shut off the fireplace if it reaches 105 degrees. A really nice feature with this fireplace is it takes just 3 seconds to heat up, and it can heat an area up to 450 square feet with its 4,777 BTU heater. It has a really nice realistic LED flame behind it with fake logs that add to the accent, and a nice brick trim behind the flames. You're not going to get any of that smoke smell or smoke buildup in your house with this fireplace, and it can be placed in any room. It can be used in your bedrooms, living rooms, dens, offices, even kitchens. Comes with a nice functional remote which can adjust the temperatures as well as the timer and the color of the flame as well. If your batteries do happen to go dead in your remote, it also has the display up at the top here, which can be used as well. Just by simply tapping on this display, you can do the same functions that the remote will do. If you're going to be using this fireplace as a freestanding type setup, these legs are supported with some little rubber pads underneath, which makes it nice. It will not scratch or ruin any of your hardwood flooring that you may have. And the fact that this only takes 3 seconds to start heating up is a great feature as well. If you guys are interested in this product from NookNova, I'll leave a link down in the description below. Check them out. They have several different styles and sizes as well. As always, thanks for watching. Remember to get outdoors with Deano.